Joints in human body.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
The structure of human body is made of hard, whitish tissues called bones. Bones together make up the skeletal system in human body. This system is not fixed like a brick wall. We can move different parts of the body. How movement is possible when we know that the bones are hard?
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Well, it is possible with the help of joints between the bones. The places where two or more than two bones are connected together is called joints. The bones are connected by flexible fibrous connective tissues called ligament. Basically, a joint could be movable joint in which bones can move. Example, joint of knee, elbow, shoulder, etc. Or it could be immovable joint or also called fixed joint in which bones cannot move, such as joints of bones in skull. Let's understand more about movable joints in human body. Ball and socket joint. It is the joint in which the rounded part of one bone called ball fits into cavity of other bone called socket. This joint allows movement in any direction, that is, in 360 degrees angle. Example, shoulder and hip joints. Hinge joint. Take the case of elbow. We can bend the elbow back and forth through 180 degree. Such a joint, which allows movement only in one direction, is called hinge joint. Other examples are joints in knee, toe, fingers, etc.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Pivotal joint. It allows rotation of one cylindrical bone in a ring formed by another bone and adjoining ligament. The space between the two bones is filled by ligament. Examples are joints of neck and joints of radius and ulna. Gliding joint. In joints at the ankle and wrist, the bones can only slide over each other. Such type of joint is gliding joint. The bone ends are nearly flat. Saddle joint. In joints like the joint of the thumb, all type of movements are possible, but rotation is not possible. Such joint is saddle joint.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Ellipsoid joint. It is like ball and socket joint, but the shape of bones form ellipse. It allows all types of movement up to certain extent, but not completely. In all these joints, movement is possible. The joints in which movement is possible are called synovial joints. There are some other joints which does not move. These are called immovable or fixed joints. We can move our lower jaw because it is movable, but we can't move the upper jaw. It is fixed joint. The bones in the skull are joined by fixed joint. Another example is the bones in backbone are slightly movable. This can be treated as fixed joints. So I hope you understood this video very well. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, log on to learnfatafat.com and get your favorite course the way you want.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.